Hello and welcome to the video presentation and demo of OpenText Web and Social Analytics. Marketing departments are required to manage the whole customer lifecycle. From the acquisition campaigns to the social activities, they have the mandate of always keeping an eye on how the company revenue is affected by this. Executives also need to have an increasing knowledge about how the web strategy is actually related to its business success. However, this cannot be effectively done without accurately monitoring each of these steps and analyzing the overall results all at the same time. Metrics and analytics help us achieve this. OpenText Web and Social Analytics is the tool that enables companies to understand the user's behavior by providing instrumentation, collection, analytics, and reporting services. Why OpenText Web and Social Analytics? Because 1. Everything is achieved by providing easy and straightforward instrumentation of your site's pages with meaningful web and social events that are then directly converted into actionable metrics. 2. Because users have the ability to drill down to the individual visitor level to get the most of its data, unlike other analytics tools. And 3. Because of its native integration with the OpenText Customer Experience Management product suite. Get analytics from your portal and social communities right away. So let's see how OpenText Web and Social Analytics accomplishes a full metrics lifecycle through 3 main steps: targeting, monitoring, and analysis. Based on a fully customizable event model, users can establish their business goals with a single click, quickly building the key performance indicators they need to follow. Find a big range of web KPIs like entry point distribution, number of visitors, page views, but also social KPIs like comments, ratings, or reviews. For each of them, users can define their goals through thresholds: minimum page views per day, expected monthly sign-ins. They can quickly set them up and start monitoring in order to find out whether their expectations and plans are being accomplished and act accordingly in real time. Such is the power of actionable metrics. Dashboards are great, but sometimes you need to see metrics in context. OpenText Web and Social Analytics does it better by enabling users to actually watch the defined events in real time from the target side. Live Insights is a fully innovative capability that simplifies the understanding of those critical pieces of information as users see where they actually come from. See this website, for example. Live Insights automatically shows you the different events defined in the page: percentage of clicks that went to one or another link, average time on that page, internal and external referrers, and so on. It is also integrated with the rest of the platform, so you can easily see web and social reports. For instance, do you want to see the evolution of the number of visitors to your site over time? Just click on the left-hand pop-up menu and a graph will appear on the screen informing about it, while you still have the web page inside along with the rest of event information. If any of the previously described KPIs in the indicator section is selected, the value will appear along with the percentage of how far the value currently is with respect to the threshold or goal defined. In summary, this is a perfect tool for marketing managers and executives to have an extremely intuitive view of the impact the website or specific campaigns are actually having. Lastly, OpenText Web and Social Analytics provide a complete set of predefined reports and custom reporting functionalities that enable users to completely understand how their sites and social communities are performing. Let's take a look at the 4 types of reports we can use: site reports, social application reports, content reports, and people reports. The first one is site reports, which focus on information about how users visit the site. That is, who is your user? With site reports, users can check different types of reports that are extremely useful during each of the customer lifecycle stages. Let's take the acquisition stage, where metrics like the number of visits over time, number of page views, which are the site's entry points, and so on, are a must-know for marketing managers. Most importantly, different types of reports are available, like distribution of page views by percentage viewed, per browser, per language, etc., the top results, or the time-based evolution. At the activation stage, monitoring how sticky a site is, OpenText Web and Social Analytics provides metrics such as the total time per page visit, that we can see as evolution or distribution, or the average time per page visit. At retention stage, Managers expect to know and understand why and if users come back to the site or the service. Metrics like the number of unique and returning visitors come to help. The ability to set the time unit granularity or compare different time periods become critical for further analysis. When an application is social or when it is very campaign-driven, it also becomes necessary to know how users come to our site. That is why managers and business analysts will make use of metrics such as the distribution per source page or per source type, whether users came organically, through search engines, or through referral links, in order to validate the campaigns they are spending their money on. Last but not least, every transactional site needs to closely measure the number of registered users, subscribers, or purchases accomplished in each of the company's sites. OpenText Web and Social Analytics lets users know from the number of logins in a specific period to how they are distributed, or the number and type of purchases performed, either individually or by product portfolio. Most importantly, the analyst can drill down and filter the results he or she likes. For instance, finding specific purchases or individuals, or finding out about which regions are performing better for specific units. Want to measure by number of units sold, or prefer to find out total revenue coming from that product suite? Marketing analysts can use filtering selections to find out more about how their users are actually behaving. These were the site reports. When we mentioned the referral stage, we just showed a few examples about how social was managed. But OpenText Web and Social Analytics gets deeper than that, providing information about social activity within the user's site. How social are your users? Well, this type of report contains 4 panels. The activity panel shows the evolution of views and different kinds of contributions in the site, posts, comments, and their ratings. The visit panel provides information about the visitor to the social applications. The tool enables drill down to the member or anonymous level. OpenText Web and Social Analytics additionally presents sentiment analysis for pages, posts, and comments. Quite interesting to get a notion of how positive the comments are related to a news story, a marketing campaign, or a specific posting. Finally, the Applications People panel enables the user to fine-tune rankings based on different criteria, such as the number of views or the number of contributions. Hence, finding out about the top contributors or the top applications or posts in your social engagement strategy. And of course, always will drill down capabilities on each of the panels, so for instance, one can compare all social applications within a specific site, and from there, find the top contributions, the users that spend most time on your site, and so on. The next type of report in OpenText Web and Social Analytics is the content one. What's the most engaging content on my site? In a similar fashion that the social application reports, content offers a set of panels showing how posts, comments, and ratings evolve, the type of contributions each of the social elements get, sorted and organized by number of views or number of contributions, the sentiment for each of them, and of course, which is the top content. Finally, the people report type, which answers the main question, who are the most important distributors and contributors in my community? Similar to the content and social panels, people pivots to a member-centered approach of the information obtained by OpenText Web and Social Analytics. What's the evolution of the members in your community? How are they distributed? Where do they come from? And furthermore, who are they? How do they behave, even individually? The business analyst can drill down to a member-level view, which shows information about specific contributions, time spent on the site, sentiment summary of his or her behavior, and even contact information from key community management approaches. In summary, OpenText Web and Social Analytics provides the analytics breadth and depth your sites deserve through different reports and views of the KPIs retrieved during their normal operation. There's much more about what OpenText Web and Social Analytics can do for your targeting, monitoring, and analytics. Do you want to find out more? OpenText Web Social Analytics, turning clicks into actionable information.